Hey everybody, Michael from Hoosier Sheds here on the north side of Kokomo. This is a monster building. I want you to see this garage. I got it on the wide angle so we can see everything because it's so big. I can't fit it in the frame. This is a beast. Let's check it out. Nice solid door. Look at this thing. This is 16 by 40. 16 by 40 feet. You could fit a few things in here. Got 3 windows, which is gonna come standard on something this big. And this thing will handle, any truck that'll fit in here, it'll hold. No issues at all. This is a solid building built by the Amish right here in Indiana. Open up the door. Insulated doors are available for an upcharge. They can insulate this for you again for an upcharge. But yeah, anything that you can fit in here, this thing will hold. It's got 4 big runners along the bottom. This thing is sturdy. It's not going anywhere.